What is up, everybody? My name is Jordan. Thank you for stopping by the channel once again. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on the video. If you're not new here, welcome back. As you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be talking about made-to-measure suiting. First of all, it just feels so good to be back in a nice shirt and tie kind of atmosphere, but my God, it is so hot in my room right now. It's literally 100 degrees outside and I'm dying, but for the video, right? However, as you guys may or may not know, when it comes to suiting, I primarily use the made-to-measure aspect of this whole suiting industry. I know for me and probably many others out there, made-to-measure is just simply, hands down, the best option. I personally use the brand Indochino. I love their made-to-measure service, and by the way, this is totally not a sponsored video. I just simply love the brand, and the majority of my suits in my closet are from Indochino. However, they did gift me a suit, so thank you, Indochino. I'm heading to Indochino actually right now, so I'll see you there. Now, for me, my made-to-measure journey starts at Indochino, and that's actually where we are right now. I'm gonna take you guys through kind of how I get my stuff done, and then, yeah, show you guys the final result, I guess you could say. So basically they just make you take some photos on the wall right here, 3 photos, that's it. And then they fit you in some templates and you get started with your whole fitting process of getting a made-to-measure suit. So right now we're putting into the templates for you guys. Alright, so we're here. As you can tell, we got some pins in the suit. This is Pam as well. She's helping me out with all the measurements. Basically, all these pins are for her measurements and her records and stuff like that, so when they ship it somewhere else to have it made for me, they know what it's gonna look like on my body and stuff like that. So Pam's doing a great job. Everything here is doing good, so.
Thank you.
She's a little shy, she doesn't want to be on camera, but yeah, doing a good job. That's pretty much it, you guys. Measurements are done. That's all you gotta do. It takes about an hour. Get everything done. You can do the customization there. You can do whatever you want there, but I'm about to go home. Maybe meet up with Carlos, so talk to you guys soon. So I'll just go over a few points that I think are amazing when it comes to made-to-measure and every guy will love. And the first one is going to be the fit and the silhouette. It's made for you. So what they're going to do is use a template that's already existed. They're gonna fit it on your body, and then they're gonna take all the measurements and all the little doohickeys that they do to make it perfectly tailored to your body. And that's what made-to-measure is. That's why the fit is so nice, because it's already a template that fits you decent, and then they modify it and perfect it to your body type. Number 2 is the price point. This is absolutely 100,000% the most bang for your buck you'll ever get, especially when it comes to fit, because with a suit, the fit is pretty much key, especially when Indochino has their sales. Their suits can be starting around like $299, which is absolutely insane. There's some off the rack suits where the jacket itself is like $600 and it will not fit you as good as a made-to-measure suit, simply because it's not made for you. It's made for the general population. You're gonna be spending more money for a suit that's not gonna fit you, and then you're gonna have to take it to a tailor and then have more things done to it. So I'm telling you, made-to-measure, if you have not already experienced it, you should at least try it once. Third thing quickly is quality. The quality with made-to-measure suiting is solid good stuff. I mean, sometimes they do have very luxury premium fabrics. They have cashmeres, they have silks, they have stuff like that. But in general terms of the stuff that they use, Super 120s, Super 140 sometimes, Super 100s, that kind of fabric is going to be really, really good quality. And it's just something that you're going to get with the price point. It's just, I'm telling you, the price is pretty much the bang for the buck. The fit and the price, you can't go wrong, and the quality comes with it. Fourth, my personal favorite is the customization. When it comes to made to measure, you can do so many things in the customization world. You can get different size lapels, you can do different contrasting stitching, the pockets, you can go pleats, you can go no pleats, you can go with a cuff, no cuff, you can go with a high-waisted pant, low-waisted pant, you can go with an extended belt line, you can go with belt loops, you can go with side tabs, you can get a custom shirt like this that has the white collar and the print on the actual body of the shirt. There's so many things you can do with made to measure. It's absolutely insane, and you just won't find it with off the rack kind of suiting and stuff like that. So the customization with made to measure is another key thing that just attracts me to it, because I could just literally do whatever I want with it. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. If you enjoyed the video as well and you're not already a subscriber, join the family. It's not that bad. I think we have a good time here. And yeah, I'll be talking to you guys really soon. I'm going to be doing a pretty much like a cool suiting video, especially how you can suit up in the hot weather, because it just looks cool, and why not? But yeah, I'll be talking to you guys soon. Hope you guys liked the video.